In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book open jaw flights on Google Flights. Open jaw flights let you fly into one city and return from a different one, which is perfect for multi-stop trips or when you want to arrive and depart from different airports. We'll use Google Flights multi-city tool to set this up smoothly. Start by opening Google Flights in your browser. You should see the main search page with fields for destinations and dates. For the best experience, especially if you want to save or track your searches, sign into your Google account. Look for the Sign In button at the top right and select it. If you see your existing account listed, choose it to continue. Otherwise, continue by entering your email and password as prompted. Follow any on-screen steps to complete sign-in, which may include verification. If you're already signed in, you're good to go and can move straight to the search setup. Back on the Google Flights homepage, you'll likely see the trip type set to round trip by default. Click that menu to reveal more options, then switch to multi-city. This is the key setting that enables an open jaw itinerary, allowing you to define different arrival and departure cities. Now begin building your trip. Click the field labeled Where From and type your departure location, such as your home country or city. Pick the correct option from the suggestions so Google Flights knows exactly where you're starting. Next, click the Where To field to choose your first destination. You can browse by country first and then narrow to a city. For example, select the country and then choose Paris, France if that's your first stop with the first leg set. Add the next segment. Click Where To again for the second leg to define where you want to fly from or to next, depending on how your trip is structured. Select the appropriate country or city to complete the open jaw pair. This approach lets you land in one place and leave from another without booking separate one-way tickets. When your locations are in place, click Search. Google Flights will compile available options and display prices and schedules for your chosen cities and dates. Take a moment to review what appears on screen. Look at total travel time, layovers, and whether the fare aligns with what you expect for each segment. If you see a combination that fits your plans, you'll be able to proceed to booking directly with the airline or a trusted partner shown on the page. That's the workflow for setting up an open jaw trip using Google Flights. Follow these steps, and you'll build a flexible itinerary that matches your travel route without unnecessary backtracking. Happy planning, and enjoy your trip.